Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll talk about one of my favorite destinations. Yes, the Great Barrier Reef. If our planet has an axis, let me tell you the Earth has millions of veins, trillions of arteries, and a small beautiful heart, which holds the largest number of coral reefs in the world. And that part of the world is called the Great Barrier Reef. Everyone knows about this World Heritage Site for its extensive coral reef system composed of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 beautiful islands. This place is the backbone of Australian tourism, which supports more than 60,000 jobs and contributes more than 6 billion to the Australian economy. Plenty of tours are available online, so we picked one of them, which included an hour of plane ride, hovering over multiple islands, mainly on Whitsunday, Hamilton and Airlie. Rest of the day we had fun snorkeling in the Great Barrier Reef and ferry ride to beautiful beaches of Whitsunday. A scrumptious smorgasbord of lunch was offered by the tour company inside the ferry. The aerial view is absolutely breathtaking. I was glued on the window and didn't realize that an hour got over in a jiffy. Combination of the countless capes and serene sea creates some top-notch views. Snorkeling in Great Barrier's water is totally an out-of-the-world experience. A different world underwater. It's quite colourful and delicate. Thousands of ethereal reefs float like papadum on the crystal clear turquoise water. A massive stretch of coral teeming with marine life looks like an underwater painting. We then had an adventure in banana boat and reached Whitsunday, which is considered one of the best islands in the world. You won't find a bit of trash here, that's how the ecosystem is protected. Most of these islands are uninhabited. We visited Heavenly Whitehaven Beach, which is a 7-kilometer stretch along Whitsunday Island. Pearl white, thick creamy layer of silica caramelized swirling fusion at the inlet of Whitehaven. This place is absolutely photogenic. The day trip was hectic but fun-filled. Come here with an extra day in hand just to do nothing. Doing nothing means everything here, as it's so picturesque everywhere. Next day we just relaxed and beheld the beautiful view from our balcony and explored the locals. If you're a tourist traveling in Australia, then this should definitely be in your bucket list. If it's a short trip for only Great Barrier and Whitsunday, then Hamilton Airport is the best choice. If you want to club it with Cairns, then Cairns International Airport would be convenient for you. Every episode is designed to minimize your hassle so that you can maximize your time and travel efforts and save some extra money. I have added the trip-related links in the description box below. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and comment, and please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel. See you soon with my next interesting episode. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.